Everybody. Hi, everybody. We're live. Little bit nervous, so bear with me. I think this is only like the second time. So, those of you that I sent links to, I sent the paper pumpkin on YouTube, so you can check out all of the insides of the March paper pumpkin, which is, sorry, no matter the weather, we're together. Okay, it's a really cute set. I shared everything that was inside of it the other night. So today I want to share with you how to put together, how quick and easy it is to put together the 3 cards that are in here. You get 4 of each one. So we're going to make one of each of these, and then I'm going to share with you some other things that I made this morning out of them. Okay, you ready to go? All right. I pulled all the pieces apart. So here's the first card. There's the adorable little envelope. Okay. It's all pre-printed for us. So on this one, we're just going to fold it in half. We're going to take our little label. We're going to take our stamp that says "Let Love Grow." Okay, we're going to put that on our block. We have our ink pad. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Philip. Okay, oops. We're going to ink that all up. I'm going to stamp it down on there. I'm using our little cleaning pad here to keep them clean. Okay, and now we are ready to assemble. We have our boots. We're going to use dimensionals on the back of the boots. I've got 4 of them, the bottom and the top. And you know what? I like to use a lot of dimensionals. I don't want that middle part falling either, so I'm going to put them in the middle. Hopefully you can still see me. Hi, Benjamin and Evie. I think these are great kits for kids also. So while all these kids are sitting at home and parents are going crazy trying to find things for them to do, they could be doing their paper pumpkin kits themselves. Okay, and I forgot about the little dirt at the bottom, so we are going to ink that up. I don't want it super dark, so I'm going to ink it up, and then I'm going to stamp it off on my scratch paper, and then I'm going to stamp it onto my card so that it's just kind of a light little fixture. Hi, Sheila. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, we're just going to add some more dirt at the bottom. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for some spring. Today is beautiful blue skies out here. I have a friend, Gail, who has a birthday today, and I told her the blue skies were just for her today. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our flowers onto there. We're going to put some more dimensionals on the back of this one. And we're going to add that. Oops, I should have gone up a little bit higher. The good thing is, if you're really careful, you can peel that back off. See, everybody makes mistakes. All right, let's add that one down here. Oops, let's get you up a little higher. Now we can put our boots back on. And our little bunny. We're going to put 2 dimensionals on him too. I want to make sure that he stays on there nice and firm. We're going to put him right beside those flowers. And, sorry, let me grab. Okay, now we're going to use the adhesive that comes with it, are these little glue dots that are already, they have backings on them. Just stick it on, peel the backing off, and then our little heart goes up there. Hi, Roseanne. Okay, then I took and cut about a piece of 10-inch twine, which also comes in the kit. Normally I have my bow maker, but I'm being brave and I'm just making them like this. Okay, we're going to make a little bow. We're going to put another one of these little glue dots on the back of our bow. Trying to make sure I stay up. Make sure you let me know if you can't see me. I'm trying to watch comments also. All right, pick the back off from that. Hi, Tina. Now I'm really nervous. Okay, tied my little bow, snip off the edges, and there's our first card, all done. Adorable little envelope to go with it, and your card is ready to send out. Okay, the second card, sorry. Okay, this time we've got the shaded spruce envelope. Okay, there's our little card with some clouds. We don't like the clouds. We'd like to keep the sunshine going here. Okay, this time I'm going to use the cloud stamp that's in your set. And this one I definitely don't want it super dark. My first one I got them a little bit darker than I wanted. So we're definitely going to do some stamping off. This one's got some dimension to it, which is kind of fun also. And so you're just going to fill the area with some clouds. If you have stamp pads at home of your own, you might consider some blue on here instead of some grays, just to make it a little springier, a little happier. Okay, and let's put a little one up here. Okay, there we go. And then we are ready to, whoops, I forgot we need words. This one says, no matter the weather, we're in this together, which I think is perfect right now with everything going on. I don't know for sure about all of you, but the state of Illinois yesterday was put on stay-at-home, stay-in-place shelter. We are allowed to go to the store for groceries, medical issues, but other than that, we're supposed to be staying home. Unless it's an essential job, which there will only be peak times that I will have to make runs so that I can put, deposits and things so that I have money for payroll through my day job. All right, we're going to pop that right down here. We are going to use some more of our little glue dots to put this one down. Little fingers work well on these little things. Bigger fingers, you kind of need something sharp to be able to get those off. And of course they make a little bit of a mess, but that's all good. Okay, we're going to just tuck that down under here. Okay, then we have 2 pieces of twine. 11 inches is what our directions say. Whoops, I goofed again. Okay, we're just scooting up the boots. There we go. Stick those back down. Okay, we're just tying that around the boots. I like to tie a knot on these things before I tie my bow, just to help hold everything into place. We're just going to add a little bow over here to the side. Tighten your bow up and snip off the ends. Okay, and all we have left are our little flowers. So we're going to grab some more dimensionals. As you can tell, I love dimensionals. I use a lot of them. Okay, and then we're just going to kind of tuck that, and card number 2 is all done. See, I told you it was really fast, quick, and easy. Let's get that one over there. And now we're down to the last one in our kit. So you have 12 of them. You could do them all yourself. You could do them with friends. Well, actually, right now you can't. You'd have to do it virtually with friends. Okay, there is our last one. I absolutely love this one. Check out how adorable this is. All right, so we've got our banner. This time we are going to use, let me get these things all peeled off and put onto my block. Okay, and again our stamp pad. And this one says, "You are capable of amazing things." This one I really liked. It made me think of my sissy, who tells me that all the time. I don't always believe it, but okay. And there's that. We are going to put dimensionals on the back of our boots. All right, but before we stick that all together, we cut 32 inches of the twine, and we are going to, let's see, do it like this. We're going to wrap it twice around our card. I need a little longer end there. Okay, and then we're just going to tie it on the very edge. Again, I'm going to tie it in a knot before I make my bow. And then we're going to tie it into a bow on the edge. Definitely out of my comfort zone, Tina. But we're not going to let this little coronavirus keeping us at home stop us from stamping. I'm determined I'm going to keep on enjoying stamping with everybody. Okay, we're going to scoot it around here a little bit, and then we can take the backings off. Ouch. Sorry, I'm going to try to see if I can't pull you up on my iPad so that I can kind of see it over there too. All right, and then look at how adorable that is. I absolutely love that. This goes right over the top. You can do it with dimensionals. You don't have to do it with dimensionals. Of course, I add dimensionals, like I said, to everything. All right, and there is our third card. Whoops, let's get it up there a little bit. Told you that was pretty fast and easy to do. Okay, now what? That was 12 minutes to make 3 cards, and that's me trying to make sure I have everything. Now let me show you the other ones. I did a little searching online. There is a Paper Pumpkin fan club that you can get ideas. Of course, Pinterest is always our fan for everything. I'm also joining a group where I will be putting together with some other demonstrators PDFs of the kits. So there will be some other great ideas for you. Okay, so this first one, the idea came from Tracy, and I don't know what Tracy's last name is. I changed colors and things around from what she had, but I used the additional stamp set that came in the kit. Look how adorable that is. And as soon as I saw that, I started thinking how cute it would be to make a picture frame out of the different elements and things, okay? Here's another one. I saw this one online also, which I thought was great for Easter. I mean, we've got this little piece of designer paper. I took one of the envelopes apart and cut it down. So I made it into a bigger size, and I don't think I said on this one. These cards that come in the kit are the note cards. Not everybody likes the smaller size. It's super simple to just stick it onto a bigger one, and then you've got your regular size card. Okay, so you can use your envelopes then for designer paper. So that was really cute. I used the stamp, cut it out, put it up on dimensionals. I did some sponging on the background here, and then on this one I used a marker so that I could get it light enough to stamp down here. Stamped the words, "May the beauty of Easter fill your heart." Let me go take a peek quick at what that stamp set was. I forgot to pull that one over here before I started. Oops. Just trying to look for some other ways. This is A Wish for Everything. It's a 2-piece stamp set that has initial words like for holidays, birthdays, and things, and then it has inside greetings too. So it's a fabulous set to coordinate along with. Okay, there's 2 cards. This one I really liked. For those of you who know my sister Tina and I, Bermuda Bay is my color, Calypso Coral is Tina's color. So I thought this was kind of a great way to coordinate it together. No matter the weather, we're in this together. I did again use markers on these images because I didn't want the full image. I wanted the insides, but I needed to leave the outsides out so that there was enough room to be able to get the boots on there. Stamped some of the little dirt at the bottom, and then I just cut the boots out, put those up on dimensionals, used my layering circles to add some dimension to that, some clouds in the background. Okay, So there's 3 quick and easy cards. The 4th project I didn't finish yet. I saw this Sherry Roth did online, and I thought it was adorable. You guys know I love picture frame things, so I'm still playing with the elements to get the sizes and things, what stamps I want to add into it. But isn't that cute? I'm going to mount it onto 12 by 12 to be able to put it into a frame. Oops, let's see if I can't keep it in this frame so that you can see all of it. Hand lettered pros are the letters that I used on here. And then this designer paper is Pleased as Punch, which is one of the coordination products that are available yet through the end of this month. Let's see, we added some of the little raindrops in there. As you can see, it's not glued down yet. The bunny is one of the die cuts. This bunny is the stamp. So I just used Smoky Slate to keep the color coordination going there. Hand cut him out. That's one of your card bases. That's one of your card bases. This is the 3rd one that's in pieces. And this is where I'm playing a little bit yet to fill in the center area. I may have words like in an oval or something here that will help coordinate that together. I'm debating about taking the basket from this one to be able to maybe kind of put underneath or beside to fill in that space. So this one I'm still playing with. When I get it all done, I will post it on my blog so that you can all see. So if you don't follow me currently, make sure you go to stampwithpeggy.com. I post there at least 3 times a week, sometimes more than that. If you have any questions on anything that I did, or you would like more information, you would like my link to be able to sign up for the April Paper Pumpkin, you can pop me an email right here at peggymerwin@comcast.net, and I will forward the link to you so that you are signed up under me. Like I said, I will be having PDFs of probably 7 to 10 other ideas with the kit that you can do for April. April's kit is all about family. We know that it's cards. We know that, I believe, we know that it's regular size cards, not the note cards, but I'm not positive of that. The other thing I'd like to try to do is do some playing into 3D type things also, something besides picture frames. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Give me a holler. Otherwise, thank you all for joining me. Thanks for putting up with trying to get through the first one, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.